This afternoon we are making bannock. And I am going to put my hairnet on first so the hair don't go into. Here's my bannock pan. We're going to make bannock this afternoon, me and my titty bear. But I got to get my flour. This bannock is not going to turn out. Like I said, I don't measure nothing. I just put my flour in here. Just a little bit of flour. Because we're not making much bannock today. And here's where I'm going to put my bannock. My sweet biscuit. Sitting there. Oh, alright. I'm digging for my lard. I need some lard. And I am going to put my lard in the microwave. Get that lard soft. Now I get my baking powder, but I do not like this baking powder. To make good bannock, you need blue ribbon, not this magic. No. Like I said, I do not measure nothing. I need some salt. Some salt. Then I mix that up. I mix this up. Make sure you mix it up right because the baking powder sometimes tastes bitter on your bannock once it's done. Mix it really, really good. I don't know what kind of bannock we're going to make with this magic baking powder. That is not the good baking powder. My oil here, my lard. That's why I'm doing this, because if it gets hot, then it burns the baking powder when you pour it into the mix. So it's gotta be, it's got to be. Oh! I got no milk. Usually I use milk. No, I don't know, I got no milk, so I don't know what we're gonna do here. Guess I gotta use some water, and I never use water on my bannock. We'll see what's gonna happen. We will see. You gotta make sure your water is not hot because it's gonna burn the bannock. You are making fun of me, but that's okay. We gotta make this bannock. We gotta have it. That's okay. Oh well, I'm not making a whole batch of bannock. I'm just making a little bannock here. I don't know about this. Don't know about this. This is not going to be good. But we'll see what happens. We're mixing it up, stirring it up. Okay, what do you want me to make? Biscuit, round ones, or just a big slab of bannock?
Big slab of bannock.
Do I make a big slab you want?
Well, maybe biscuits.
Whatever.
Biscuits.
I'll make a big slab.
Okay.
It's faster. I'll just make a big slab of bannock here. You'll be able to make this bannock, my girl, because you're good at making bread. You'll know how to fix it. I don't know about this bannock, my girl. Like I said, I don't like that baking powder. Flip it over. Make sure it's hold on over here. You're funny. Where's my bannock pan? My bannock pan. Then you fork it. You do this so your bannock cooks right through. If you don't fork it like this, make all these little holes, my girl, it ain't gonna cook inside. It's gonna be raw. So that is why you have to make these little holes. That's what my mommy used to tell me.
So you don't oil your pan?
No. There it is, see? Now we're gonna cook it in here for, wait a minute, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Got it? This leftover flour I got here, I am going to clean it all up, take the bad stuff out, because I'm saving this flour for the next time I make bannock, or happens I don't have no flour, I can always use it. We wait for our bannock in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and it should be done. Cut it up and you serve it. I never wash my bannock bowl with soap because your bannock could taste like soap. So it's just clear water, no soap in it. You got to be very careful how you do your stuff. Now we're going to check on our bannock, but I'm sure it's done. There we go. There's our bannock. There's our big biscuit. Big biscuit. Now, that's how you make bannock with Crazy Kookum cooking.